So there's the almost finished article. I have a few bits left to do. I have to get some trim to go on the corner here just to wrap this raw edge and redo the coving around the top. So I'll probably get that done over the next couple of days, and then it is to be painted white. She wants it, so that wallpaper is going. I'm doing a couple of built-ins either side. So yeah, turned out pretty well. Quite pleased with it, and new floor and all that now later on, because there's no timber under that mat because that's where the hearth of the fireplace was. So yeah, came out nice and neat. You see the bracket for the television that I made in there. Works perfect. So quite pleased with that. And yeah. So that's as far as that is for now. So I'll probably come back and show you a video when I have everything finished. I'm quite pleased with that now. 2 days came out nice. Even just made this temporary skirting board just go around the bottom of it. I'm going to do all new skirting board in the room as well. So there you go. That's some of the kind of the other stuff I get up to when I'm not out in the shed. That's kind of it now, looking in from the kitchen. So it's nice and neat and tidy. So I get you in the next one. Bye bye.